Welcome to Velocity Micro's panel removal and replacement guide. All of our modern chassis are designed to be opened toollessly, using ball and socket latches and large hand screws. There's a chance that the hand screw used to secure one or more of your panels is beyond hand tight for security while shipping. We recommend having a Phillips head screwdriver handy just in case. Here are the PC chassis we'll be covering in this video. Use the timestamps in the description or listed on screen to navigate to your chassis. If you do not see your chassis on screen now, look in the description for guides covering our prior generations of PCs. First, we'll remove and replace the glass panel of the SX3. Start by locating and unscrewing the hand screw at the top left of the panel. In the same place, you'll find a metal tab. Leverage this tab as you gently pull the panel away from the chassis. Lift up to remove the metal tabs from their slots at the bottom of the panel. In order to replace the panel, align the metal tabs at the bottom of the panel first, then apply gentle pressure to push the ball joints back into their sockets. Retighten the hand screw. The solid panel of the SX3 removes identically to the glass panel. Unscrew the hand screw now at the top right of the panel. Leverage the metal tab to pull away the joints from their sockets, and pull the panel up to release the bottom tabs from their slots. Realign the tabs at the bottom, apply gentle pressure to resocket the joints, and tighten the hand screw to replace. Both panels on the MX6 are removed in the same way with no hand screws. Simply locate the metal tab at the back of your PC and leverage it as you pull the mesh panel away from the chassis. You may run another hand in the seam that forms as you pull away the panel to aid the joint's release. When the panel is loose, pull it up and away from the body of the chassis. To replace the panel, realign the metal tabs at the bottom of the panel and using gentle pressure, resocket the joints to replace the panel. Removing the panels on the QX chassis is identical regardless of whether you are removing the left or right panel. It requires the removal of two hand screws on the back of the machine. Once these hand screws are removed, gently slide the panel forward and it should come free. Align the panel back into its slot and retighten the hand screws in order to replace it. Thanks for watching this informational video about your Velocity Micro machine. If you're having trouble, call us with the number on screen or visit us on our support portal to talk with one of our experts.